Okay, so today we're talking about the Apeman C450 dash camera. I purchased this on recommendation of a friend, and I would just like to go over some of its features. So let's look at, this is the box that it comes in. It's quite a nice box. Has quite some information on the sides there: motion detection, loop recording, wide dynamic range, G sensor protection, and some key features there. This is the Apeman C450. As you can see, it is quite small. It's quite nice, actually. The design is quite nice. It's got a lens that sticks out a little bit here, and a nice size screen on the back there. Okay, so this camera comes in the box with a cable, which is rather long, so you can route it around your trim. And it comes with two different mounts. It comes with a mount with a 3M sticker on the bottom, which you could, I guess, stick to your dash like that. Or it comes with a mount which is a suction cup mount, which is very sturdy. And this sticks wherever you like it on your window here. And as you can see here, this is the wire provided. I have routed it along my dash trim and down the door behind the glove box, under the carpet there, up here under the trim here, and into my charging port here, and it works rather well. To plug in, you can see there's a port on the top, which is the USB port here, and it has the SD card port here, micro SD card port. To mount your dash camera, you have to, let's see if I can get this on camera here, you have to pop it inside there with one hand and slide it along, and there it is mounted. And then what you want to do is take your wire, which you've routed, and just plug that into the top there, like so. And yeah, look, see, it turns on straight away. And of course you can position it so you can get the best angle and view of your car. At the moment it's raining there, so you can't see much out the window. But yeah, I'll upload another video with some driving footage.